Hello, this is a quick review of the TENMA electronic load bought from Farnell. It's the type 72132110 with 300 watts, 120 volts and 30 amperes of loading capability. It's currently discharging this lithium iron nanophosphate battery. It has 20 amp hours, so it's discharging with 1C. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this load. Here we have a Rigol. It was used to finally charge this battery with 6 ampere, and here for reference precision digital voltmeter for comparison with the readings from the electronic load. And as you can see, it's quite accurate. I was really surprised by the precision of this, or accuracy of this rather cheap electronic load. So this is 250 euros. This is about 420, I think, and this was about 700 euros. I have connected the load via USB cable to the PC. I'm running here Windows 7 in the VirtualBox on a Linux machine. This software came with the electronic load. It worked out of the box quite well. Of course, I have to emulate here the serial COM port. So it's a native Linux device, and it's forwarded as a COM port via VirtualBox. Perhaps we can have a look at this. So these are the settings, and here I have forwarded the TTY ACM1 device, which is this this electronic load. I have set the recording, the data saving to on. So this toggle button is quite confusing, but yeah, if it's on the right side it's recording, otherwise it's not. The sample rate is set to 0.1 samples per second, so each second we get a sample, and this is the currently written data file. So nothing surprising. I think the time and date format is that one used on this from the system. It's not optimal, but it's fixable then. Yeah, and now we have a look at some details. So the specialities of this electronic load I found so far. First, it's using UDP instead of TCP, which is commonly used for the remote protocol. You have to make two connections, so one for listening on UDP port 18190, and the other one sending to that port with the IP of the remote device. Yeah. Very strange is that the SDPI protocol is case sensitive. This I think is not standard. So I tried asterisk IDN question mark, and I didn't get anything. But if it's written in capital letters, it works fine. Yeah, I'm using here the 4-wire voltage measurement. So I have here some sensing cables which go to the back of the electronic load, and you cannot activate this function in the Windows software. You have to do it with the buttons here with shift, and it's called far end. Yeah. Quite intuitive. Far end, you're measuring on the far end the voltage. Yeah. So no remote, no 4-wire, it's far end. Yeah, and also it's indicated by this, by COM, yeah? So if you press on far end, you activate far end, you see it on the display with this indicator COM. Also quite intuitive, I think. Yeah, in the software, as I said, it's quite okay. The only things I noticed so far is first that you cannot activate the 4-wire measurement in the software, and also in the battery test, which I'm running now. Where is it? Here is written ampere hours, but actually these are ampere seconds. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.